Casio continue to release new designs to their wildly popular stainless steel Casioak lineup. Today I'm taking a quick look at the GM2100CH-1A, which has all the features you've come to know and love from a G-Shock while remaining sleek, stylish, and in this case, quite unique. My first impressions are that this watch is a winner. The splashes of color work really well to offset the otherwise largely monochrome design. The three hands are plated with gold and black, with some lume on the hour and minute hand for easy viewing in the dark. The hour markers are dressed in a metallic crimson, and just above these markers, set in the stepped bezel, are alternating green and gold accents. The combination of these colors honestly gives it a real Christmas holidays feel, which is certainly different, but nonetheless it works quite well. Much like previous installments of the GM2100 series, the case and bezel are made from stainless steel, with the bezel having a rounded hairline finish, which makes for a very shiny look. Offsetting all this shine is a matte black resin band, which looks great in my opinion. The dial is finished with a vapor deposition treatment, which affords a similar shine as the bezel, except there's a vertical hairline finish rather than a rounded finish. In my opinion, I think Casio have honed in on a near perfect watch with the GM2100 series. They're stylish, virtually indestructible, functional, and versatile. I love the digital display combined with the analog hands, and the small weekday subdial at 9 o'clock looks great. The resin band means you don't have to take any links out, and it is just super comfy. It's really light too, at just 72 grams. The battery is going to last you at least 3 years, and I can just see this watch being worn in any situation. It's really an all-rounder. You really cannot go wrong with a Casio G-Shock. Whether you're treating yourself or gifting it to a close friend, they're super reliable watches and won't be letting you down. Head on over to watchdepot.com.au to snap up this amazing looking Casioak watch. You will not want to miss out on this one.